Did you know that some trading algorithms can analyze market data in milliseconds, making decisions faster than any human could? It's no wonder robots are taking the trading world by storm. I've always been fascinated by the concept of automated trading, where computers use complex algorithms to make trades on behalf of humans. It's like having a super smart, always-on trading partner that can analyze markets 24/7. But I've always wondered, can these robots really deliver? I've heard stories of people making huge profits with trading bots, but I've also heard horror stories of people losing their shirts. So, I decided to take the leap and give a real trading account to a robot just to see how it would perform. I wanted to know if these robots are the future of trading or just a flash in the pan. I documented the whole process, and I'm excited to share it with you today. It's been a wild ride, with plenty of ups and downs, and some surprises that'll make your jaw drop. Let's talk about the skepticism surrounding trading robots. There are so many people out there who say they don't work, that they are just scams designed to part you from your hard-earned cash. And I get it, skepticism is healthy, especially when it comes to something as complex as trading. But I think there's another side to the story. What if trading robots aren't just for scammers and get-rich-quick schemes? What if they are a legitimate tool that can help people make money in the markets? I wanted to find out. One of the biggest challenges facing trading robots is volatility. Markets can be unpredictable, and even the best algorithms can get caught out by unexpected events. It's like trying to predict a thunderstorm. You can see the signs, but you can't always know when the storm will hit. Volatility is what makes trading so exciting, but it's also what makes it so dangerous. One wrong move, and you can be wiped out. So, how do trading robots deal with volatility? Do they have the ability to adapt, to change their strategies on the fly? I've spoken to plenty of people who swear by trading robots, but I've also spoken to people who've lost money using them. It's like two sides of the same coin. Some people see trading robots as the future, while others see them as a recipe for disaster. So, what's the truth? Can trading robots really make money in the markets, or are they just a flash in the pan? That's what I set out to discover when I gave a real trading account to a robot. I spent weeks researching different trading robots, reading reviews, and looking at performance data. I wanted to find a robot that could handle the ups and downs of the markets, a robot that could adapt to changing conditions. I finally settled on a robot that uses a combination of technical analysis and machine learning to make trades. It's a complex system, but basically, it looks for patterns in market data and uses those patterns to predict future price movements. Setting up the robot was surprisingly easy. I just had to create an account, fund it, and let the robot do its thing. I was nervous. I won't lie. What if I lost all my money? The first few weeks were rocky, to say the least. The robot made some trades that seemed crazy to me, and I was convinced I was going to lose everything. But then, something strange happened. The robot started to make money. I was getting daily updates on the robot's performance, and it was like watching a roller coaster, up one day, down the next. But overall, the trend was clear. The robot was making money. I was excited, but I was also skeptical. Was this just a fluke, or was the robot really onto something? I decided to let it run for a few more weeks, just to see what would happen. As I watched the robot's performance, I started to notice something strange. It was making money in areas where I wouldn't have dared to trade. It was like it had a sixth sense, or ability to sniff out opportunities that I wouldn't have seen. Of course, there were also times when the robot got it wrong, when it made trades that lost money. But overall, the robot was performing way better than I expected. Then, disaster struck. The robot made a trade that ended up losing a small fortune. I was devastated. I won't lie. I felt like I'd made a huge mistake. But as I looked back at the trade, I realized that it wasn't the robot's fault. It was just a reflection of the markets. Volatility is a part of trading, and even the best algorithms can get caught out. I learned a valuable lesson that day, that trading robots aren't a guarantee of success, but they can be a powerful tool in the right hands. And that's what I want to share with you today, my journey with a trading robot, and what I learned along the way. So, how did the robot perform overall? Well, I'm happy to say that it's made a profit. Not a huge one, but a profit nonetheless. And that's more than I can say for some of my own trades. Of course, there are still skeptics out there who say that trading robots are a scam, that they are just a way for unscrupulous people to part you from your cash. But I think my experience shows that there's more to it than that. Trading robots can be a powerful tool, but they are not a guarantee of success. They are like any other tool. They can be used for good or ill. It's up to us to learn how to use them wisely. So, what do you think? Have you had any experiences with trading robots? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about trading strategies, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching.